Hello everyone, this is Enolami and welcome back to my channel. So today we have the Sweatcoin update. Like a lot of people have been trying to understand how to withdraw, what they can do with their Sweatcoin. They earn for free by working and the Sweat token itself. So now here's the update. Stay tuned to the end of this video. Listen attentively as I will explain the difference between the Sweat token and the Sweat coin we are earning on this free app itself, and how to withdraw, how to use it, ways to use it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and let's proceed. So now this Sweat token, Sweat coin, this is the Sweat coin app. This one is where you walk to earn and you watch some adverts here, like what I did here. Personally, I uninstalled this app before before downloading it again when I got information about it. So that is what I'm gonna share with you now. You earn this free token by working. Before you start to work, you make sure you open the app. Like if you know you are the kind of person that is always on motion, your jobs allow you to be moving from one place to another, unlike me or some of us we're just we work mostly indoor. I work online, so it's mostly indoor. I don't really earn much on this app. So if you're usually on motion, then this app will be great for you. You can earn a lot of Sweatcoin here, and you can exchange it from some products, some items here on the app itself. So this is one of the ways to earn by logging in every day. You work. As you work, before you start to work, open the app. Make sure you enable your settings. This app to overlay your settings, meaning that it can record your steps even while you minimize it. A lot of people just register and they don't allow the app to overlay their settings. They don't enable the functions. If you don't do that, you won't be able to earn anything. So make sure you enable all of the settings. While registering, they tell you, okay, enable your location, allow this app to overlay this, allow all of those things is what I'm trying to say. So make sure you enable it so that your steps will count anytime you are working. So that's it. Then you earn by watching 3 videos here. They have the segments where you have to claim. You see claim every day. That's every 24 hours. It's 3 segments like that. So once you click on claim, and that is what I get to what I did to get these 2.64 sweats. That's it. So now how do you earn this sweat coin? According to the information, this sweat coin here on the app cannot be withdrawn out of this app. Let me repeat that. This sweat coin on the app cannot be withdrawn out of this app. You can only spend this sweat coin here, but the sweat token itself, that is a cryptocurrency token that has liquidity. So the sweat token itself is the one you can swap, you can stake, you can spend, you can use for NFTs. They have the two. This sweat coin on this free app is a complementary to the sweat token. So how do you get the sweat token? The sweat token, which is called the sweat, is listed on Bybit exchange. Can I go to Bybit? Let me go to Bybit app and let's see. It's listed on Bybit exchange. So you can buy from Bybit exchange with transfer it to your Sweat wallet app. That's another app entirely. You transfer your Bybit the token to Bybit, from Bybit to your Sweat wallet app. Let me sweat. Okay, you can see now. This is the current price. This is it. Sweat USDT. This is the coin. This is the one you can stake. This is the one you can use to buy NFT. This is the one you can do a lot of things with. This is the cryptocurrency one. The one on the app is a complementary to this, and the functions are different. So you have to know what you're doing. Okay, now let's proceed to this. So this is what we have here. This on this app itself can only be used to purchase things here, which is like free. So if I click on this like bag logo, you see what you can do with this one you earn for free. This is what you can do with it. All of this you can see I had this bought recently, $500 cash price. I bought it with five sweat coin. This one I bought it yesterday. They just gave me the information and I decided to buy it with the 5 sweats I earned from it. So it's still pending. Anyone can still join this offer. All of these things free for 60 days, cool bus music streaming, 60% off for plus free shipping fee. All of this are what you can do with your sweat coin that you earn on this app. This one I'm doing video with. All of these items, you can use your sweats to buy them. Some gave you 50% discount, some 60. Some you can use a whole no cash price, just the sweat alone, like this $500 price. I used 5 sweats. No, I didn't pay any cash along with it. So these are what you can do with the Sweatcoin you earn on this app. You just have to go through this. Look at the one, oh, out of stock already. Wow. 500 20x out of stock. Other over 100k people bought this. It's out of stock already. So all of these and the charity donations are what you can use your Sweatcoin for. So the main sweat crypto token, which is what you see here, unleash your sweat, which is the one I showed you on Bybit. You see what when I showed you on Bybit. Unleash your sweat, make the most of your sweat transfer, growth jar, NFT, and much more. The sweat you can buy on Bybit, you can transfer it to the Sweat Wallet app. All you have to do is to click here, download the Sweat Wallet app, buy some sweat token from Bybit, and you can stake. You can use it to buy NFT. You stake. This growth jar is your staking. You stake to earn more. At least it will increase in quantity, and once the value starts appreciating, you are earning more. That's like buying a stock. So that's it. The quantity will increase as you are staking, and the price will definitely appreciate. We are getting to bull run, guys. You don't want to miss out on any opportunities. So the price will appreciate with time. Then you can on stake withdraw buy to Bybit. Then you have a higher quantity to sell. Then that's it. That's how this Sweat Wallet app works. Every coin you can buy on the exchange where Sweat is listed, you can make use of it on this Sweat Wallet app to earn more. And you can use it to buy their NFTs. Everything is on the Sweat Wallet app. If you click on here, you download the Sweat Wallet app. But as for this Sweat token here, you are to use it here with like I showed earlier. Now the last way to also earn on this Sweatcoin app, this one I'm using for video currently, is you can become an influencer from it. You can become an influencer from this. You need a minimum of 20 referrals to get the influencer open for you. 20 active referrals, not just referrals. That is, people you refer with your link must be working every day. They must enable the app to overlay, as I said earlier, to overlay their phone so that their steps will be counted, and they must have used your link, enable all settings for this app so that their steps will be counted. Only that, then you can earn as an influencer. Once you have 20 referrals under you, you need 20 active referrals. Make sure they have enabled all the settings for this app to be able to count them as active referrals, and make sure they are doing this daily rewards as well. This try your luck and win rewards from 0 to 1,000 Sweatcoin. So anyone that is doing this, allow the settings to overlay your phone. Make sure they've used your link. Then that's all. you see the influencer would open for you, and with the influencer would, you can earn weekly, is it weekly or monthly, in cash price actually. Once the influencer group is open, you'll be able to see what you can earn. Just make sure you get the 20 referrals, make sure they're active, and that's it. Then when you see the influencer hub open for you in this segment, this four icon here, you can see how much you'll be able to earn for free just by bringing in 20 active referrals. That is another way to earn from this Sweatcoin app for free. If you are an influencer, you earn cash prizes in USDT actually. So that is what this Sweatcoin entails. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Alright, so this is what we have on this Sweatcoin, and I hope I've been able to clear all doubts and bring some informative updates to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Let me know your questions in the comments section. And you can as well join me on Telegram. My link, the link to my Telegram channel is attached to this video for more airdrop opportunities and trading opportunities, forex, crypto, and what have you. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.